In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your birthday on LinkedIn. If you want a little more privacy on your LinkedIn profile, hiding your birthday is a simple setting you can update in just a few moments. This can be useful if you prefer not to share personal information with your network, while still keeping your profile professional and focused on your work experience and skills. To begin, go to your LinkedIn homepage. Once you're there, look at the top of the screen and click the Me icon. This opens the personal account menu where you can access your profile and account-related settings. From that menu, click View Profile. This will take you directly to your public-facing profile page where you can manage the information other people see when they visit your profile. Next, locate your Introduction section. This is the top area of your profile, usually where your profile photo, headline, and basic details appear. In that section, click Contact Info. A pop-up window will open with the contact and personal details currently listed on your profile. Inside that pop-up window, click the Edit icon, which looks like a small pencil. This allows you to make changes to the information shown there. Once you're in edit mode, scroll down until you find your birthday information. Next to your birthday, you'll see a visibility icon. Click that icon to open the privacy options for this detail. LinkedIn gives you control over who can see certain pieces of personal information, and this is where you can adjust that setting. From the available options, select Only You. Choosing this setting means your birthday will be hidden from your network and other profile viewers, and only you will be able to see it when viewing your own account settings. This is the best option if you want to keep your birthday completely private on LinkedIn. After selecting that visibility setting, click Save to apply the changes. Make sure you save before closing the window, otherwise the update may not be kept. And that's it. Your birthday is now hidden on LinkedIn. If you ever want to change it again later, you can return to the same section and update the visibility setting at any time. Keeping your profile privacy settings up to date is a good habit, especially on professional platforms like LinkedIn, where it helps you control what personal information is shared.